Matter exists in three states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. The state of matter changes due to heat. Now let us study about each of the state in brief, starting with solid state. Students, a solid matter has a fixed shape and volume. Table, duster, stone, pen, candles are some examples of solid. Ice, snow, and wax are also solid, which melt due to heat. Sunlight and hot air helps in melting ice and snow. Now look at this activity. For this activity, take a few pieces of ice. Place them in the beaker and heat. Then observe the changes in the state of ice. Students, you will observe that after some time, the ice changes to water. On further heating, the water changes to vapor. Hence, we can conclude that solid on heating changes to liquid, and liquid on heating changes to gas. Here is another activity to be performed. For this, take a candle and burn it. Observe carefully the burning of the candle and note down the answer of the following questions in your science exercise book. Did you see the melting of wax? Did you find the burning of the thread inside the candle? Why does the wax melt? Why does the melted wax flow down? What happened to the melted wax after it flowed down? These two activities clearly show that solid changes into liquid on heating. Some solids, like camphor, directly convert into gas on heating. The process is called sublimation. Such a solid which converts into gas without being changed into liquid is called volatile substance. Let us now move on to the liquid state of matter. Students, unlike solids, liquids have no fixed shape and size, but it has fixed volume. Water, oil, alcohol, spirit, and kerosene are examples of liquids. Have you ever seen the process of making ice? When water is cooled, it changes into ice. Due to the same reason, in the cold season, water freezes outside the house. When water is heated, water vaporizes into steam. The other liquids such as oil, alcohol, spirit, and kerosene also get converted into steam due to heat. Thus, liquid changes into vapor due to heat. The gaseous state, or the gas state. Students, gas has no fixed shape or size and volume. Air, water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and so forth are gases. Gas is generally colorless, so gas is invisible to us. We cannot see air. When gas is cooled, it converts into liquid. Water vapor converts into water due to cooling. Let us again perform another activity. For this, take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Now put the beaker on a tripod stand as shown in the figure. Students, place a watch glass containing some water on the top of the beaker and then heat the beaker slowly. After a while, you will observe that the water in the beaker starts to vaporize. As water in the beaker becomes vapor, you can see droplets of water in the backside of the watch glass. Why do you think this happens? Students, when the water vapor comes in contact with cold water, which is kept in the watch glass, the cold water in the beaker helps in condensation of the water vapor. This clearly indicates that when gas is cooled, it is converted into liquid state.